Bang. How to turn any footage into magic, like I did here, if you consider that magic. So we start with placing light rays. I make them blue colored, and then we make sure it's tracked in the background. Light rays is an effect that you can put on the side, by the way, or you can search for it on the side in the effect bar. Then what we do, we add a little bit of glow and a little bit of contrast and stuff, and the glow, as you see, it makes the edges pop. Then we add a little bit of turbulent displays for a little bit of a drowsy effect. We add some snowfall, but we make them feel like star sprinkles or something like that. And like, try to not use it to maximum, but just a little bit, a slight amount, like will make it feel way more real. So yeah, as you can see here, it's not too much. We add a little vignette to focus a bit more on the middle or the center. And as you see, that starts to look quite magical already. And then you add a little bit of a flare. Pick the flare that you like. A lens flare is also an effect on the side. And then what we do change color only on a certain color on the highlights of the tree, and we make it morph a little bit with some key points, and then bam, voila, that's it. That's how you make a little bit of a trippy, magic, fantastic, crazy scene. Hope you enjoyed it.